Managing multiple marketplaces can easily become overwhelming if you don't have the right systems in place. But don't worry. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to manage multiple marketplaces without the stress and chaos that often comes with it. Stick around to the end for a tip that will simplify your process even further and help you stay on top of everything. The first thing you need to do is streamline your processes with the right tools. Trying to juggle orders, stock levels, and listings manually across platforms is a recipe for disaster. That's where using centralized software comes into play. A good software will sync your listings, manage your inventory in real time, and allow you to fulfill orders without hopping between platforms. Let's talk about inventory management. If you're running multiple marketplaces, keeping track of your stock manually is a huge headache. Using a software that updates your inventory automatically across all platforms will prevent overselling and stockouts. It's crucial for maintaining consistency and avoiding frustrating customer complaints. Next up is managing your orders. When you're handling orders from several marketplaces, tracking them can get messy fast. You need one place where you can see all orders, regardless of which marketplace they came from. A good system will allow you to consolidate everything so you can fulfill orders quickly and accurately without missing a beat. Listing management is another major time saver. When you're on multiple platforms, you need to make sure your listings are consistent across the board, including pricing, descriptions, and images. The software we're using will help you push updates to all marketplaces at once, saving you time and ensuring everything is synchronized properly. Don't forget about analytics. You can't manage multiple marketplaces effectively without tracking performance. A good software will offer you detailed reports, letting you see what's working and what's not, so you can make informed decisions. By now, you've probably realized that the right software is absolutely crucial in managing multiple marketplaces without overwhelm. And here's the best part. I've got an exclusive free trial of the software we're using right now. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check the description below to grab it and follow along. To wrap it up, let's do a quick recap. First, streamline your process with centralized software. Next, automate inventory updates across all platforms to avoid stock issues. Consolidate your orders in one place to stay organized. Sync your listings to keep them consistent. And don't forget to track your performance with analytics. Key takeaway: the right software is a game changer when it comes to managing multiple marketplaces without overwhelm. If you want to implement what you learned today, grab that exclusive free trial in the description and get started now. Thanks for watching.